The UMIDIGI company took the opportunity to launch a new Bison Pro, a new member of the Bison series phones. In general, Bison Pro is more like a stronger upgrade version of Bison. The biggest change on the Bison Pro is the processor. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G80, a popular processor suitable for daily use and also for most mobile games. It supports up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, ensuring an ultra-smooth gaming experience, especially with the help of 3rd Gen liquid cooling system. Bison Pro features a powerful Sony 48MP main camera and a 24MP selfie camera. The Bison Pro is powered by the premium industrial rubber, providing solid and durable protection yet still lightweight and thin, and it comes with the IP68, IP69K rating resistance, featuring a 6.3 FHD Plus full screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The phone also features the useful feature of a non-contact digital infrared thermometer 2.0. Besides the advantage features above, UMIDIGI Bison Pro also comes with a 5000 mAh battery. It supports 8 watts fast charging, ensuring the long-term use of the battery that lasts up to 2 days. Moreover, the NFC function and the stock Android 11 are also supported. Plus, the Bison Pro will start global sale from $149.99 on July 26 on AliExpress. You can add it to your cart first in case you missed the best price. In addition, UMIDIGI is globally giving away 10 units of Bison Pro and upcoming TVS earbuds UMIDIGI AirBuds Pro. If you are interested, the official UMIDIGI links are below the video, don't forget to visit them. That will be all for today, see you soon in the next video, bye.